how do I explain this technology? How do I understand it? How do I explain it in a way that other people can understand what I'm saying? So can you give them a little bit, just a quick little, this is what the patch has in it, this is what it does, and this is what we typically see.
Yeah, so, well, there's a simple way and there's a more complicated way.
So let's do the simple way for our viewers first, and then we can do the more complicated way.
Okay, so the simple way is the patches contain organic materials that are activated by body heat. The patches then stimulate the skin with very low levels of light, and this turns on production of copper peptide. And copper peptide naturally occurs in the body, but it declines with age. And some of the things that this will do is improve the metabolism, improve energy and the flow of energy. It helps to manage inflammation. It helps to improve recovery, and it also improves sleep. So there's a whole host of benefits from elevating copper peptide.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the simple explanation.
That's the simple.
That's
Okay.
the simple one.
And we put this patch on in the morning when we get up.
Right.
And we leave it on 12 hours.
Right.
And then we take it off. Do we use it again the next day?
No.
No.
We don't use it again the next day because the product is a clean product. And if a person were to take the patch after it had been used and, let's say, apply it to skin that had been broken, there's a risk of getting a cut, open skin infected. So that's one of the reasons. And then the other is the patches will last roughly about a day or so. So they're intended to be disposable. They will go inactive over a period of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we wear that just 12 hours on, 12 hours off.
12 hours on, 12 hours off.
Brand new one the next day.
Yep, that's right.